Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to change your name color on Stumble Guys. So let's get started. Open your Stumble Guys application and make sure that you're logged in. Once you're in this main interface, go ahead and tap on your name located at the top left. It'll then open up your profile. As default, you'll be able to see your name displayed in a white color. If you want to change it to a different color of your choice, go ahead and tap on the pencil icon right next to the name. In the pop-up where it says enter name, you'll need to go ahead and enter these signs as shown on the screen, so watch carefully. You'll need to type in color after the sign. Now go ahead and type in an equal to sign and close it off with this sign back again. Now enter your name on the screen. Soon after you do that, simply go ahead and get in front of this equal to sign and enter the name of the color of your preference. Soon after you are done, you'll be able to see your display name changed to the color of your preference. You can now go ahead and spend 100 gems in order to change your display name. So that is how you can easily change your name color on Stumble Guys. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.